Okay, this is our day 1. So, late na kami nagising around 9 a.m. Nakalis kami ng hotel ng 11 a.m. And nilalakad lang namin papuntang Senjoshi Temple. So, from hotel around 1.2. Ang daming tao! Around 1.2 kilometers. Ay, pwede mag-costume doon. Ayun, no? Ha? Tara, da. Pwede mag-costume tapos dun, mag-picture-picture. Hindi naman. So, pwede natin puntahan tapos mamayang gabi ulit, no? Tapos, pwedeng agahan natin. Pag umaga daw, konti lang tao dyan. Dad. Konti lang tao dyan. Pag umaga.
Saan ang selfie stick?
Nandyan.
Jullie mogen daar staan als je wil.
Shades again? Baby, ayan na. Batman.
Bat bomb, oh. Pandigo mo, Faria.
How many?
One lang. So we're gonna try the omikuji Japanese. It's 100 peso. So, may 100.
100 yen?
Yeah, ikaw mag-drop.
Saan nga ba?
Ha?
Nasa jacket pa.
Dito tayo. We're gonna shake.
Two.
Ay, dito mo na ilagay.
I said two.
Ikaw, mag-shake tayong dalawa. We're here at Senjoshi Temple and we're gonna try the omikoji. It's a Japanese fortune cookie. So, 100 Japanese yen. You tell them. Where? And then, you shake it. Jump in while praying for your wish. Shake the box. Let's go. What's your wish? Birthday wish. Let's shake while you make a wish. Go. And close your eyes. Number 9.
Two.
9. Maybe. Wait, let's find the number 9. Let's find the number 9. Where's the number 9? Maybe let's find the number 9. Oh, there pala. There. Excuse me. Here is the number 9. You get it. Get the paper. Get the paper. Yeah, pull. You pull it. Ako sumama na. Oh, you get.
Two?
Yeah, this one lang. Now let's read our fortune.
te veel. Dat was te veel. Onthoud je? Dat was te veel. 4,5. Kun je even schudden?
Don't get along with the lower classes as the upper classes. Both important and quite power. Happiness will come to you just like cutting rice plants with a cutter. If you have a right mind and faith in yourself, you will be able to get the best for you. Your research will be realized. A 6% will recover. Taking good care is important. The lost article will be found. The person you're waiting for will come. Building a new house, a mobile, employment are all good. When you make a trip, be careful. Marriage is very good. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung good or bad yun, pero good. Ha? Ano nakalagay? Hindi, anong ano dito? Hindi ko makagets kung bad to or good eh. Basahin mo nga. Ah, best fortune yan. Ano nakalagay sa'yo? Oh. Baby, we got the best fortune. Yay! High five. High five. But,
Why? What will happen?
she will, ano there. Put there. So we're gonna have an incest offering na wala. Yan. Let's try. Incest praying offering. That's gonna do the incest and then we're gonna pray there.
Because
For good spirits. Madam. Come here, Baba. Baby, go there. Let's go, baby. Yan. Maganda daw to sa gabi. So, I think we're gonna go back here since malapit lang naman sa hotel to. Hi, baby ko. Baby ko. Here's the temple. Ang ganda. Sobrang daming tourists right now. I love the weather because it's not too cold, not too hot. Just sakto lang.
I like that.
Ah, dun tayo dun sa gilid. Dun tayo sa gilid, Dad. Dad. Sa gilid tayo mag-picture. Ay, no, dun. Dito, oh. Ito pala eh. Tapos na kami sa mag-photoshoot sa temple and Faria bought a mochi. Oh, you show them your mochi. Oh, careful, baby. Ayusin mo. Kailangan nakaharap dito. Pag ganito. Yan. Yummy? Let's go. So, next stop na kami. Punta na kami ng Bueno Park. Ay, ang cute. One Piece. One Piece, oh. How much? Ganda ng One Piece. Ayan, mochi. Mochi. Faria's mochi. It's 400 yen. Sweet red beans. Okay. Dad, help mo siya. Ay. Aka na. You wanna eat na? Aka na, bunso. So, tapos na kami. Aray ko. Try mochi.
That's okay. Mmm.
It's delicious! Oishi! That's Dad's favorite. So we're gonna go to Ueno Park na. So yeah. See you later guys. Mamaya na ulit.
Mura ang mga sword.
Bili tayo. 4,000 no? 40,000 Dad. Bumili kami ng kung ano man to. Mukhang masarap eh. Hi! Oh, do not eat here. It says here. Let's go. Dada, mura lang pa may pie.
Ay. Kala.
5.15.
4.
Ha?
1,000.
Ha?
Ay, 1,000.
Nasaan?
Ayun, sa baba. 1,000.
Ayaw nga pala po. Akala ko ano. Ang pala. Parang ba't yung pagkain dito masasarap?
Eddie, you get my sanitizer.
Hi everyone, we're back. So nandito kami ngayon sa Ueno Park on a bench. Sadly wala ng cherry blossoms. They all gone dry. Dry? O yun, nalagas na. So dumaan kami ng 7-Eleven to have our mukbang here. Got so excited. So mag-haul tayo. First, yung coffee ni Tatay. Tatay, is Tatay okay?
No.
Tatay is not okay. Here's your coffee latte, regular 300 ml.
Because last night he wants coffee.
Yeah.
But he will not make it.
Yes. And then I got my egg salad
With my me.
here with Faria. We're shared together. Can you spot? Oh, you stay with that, me.
Here ka. Dili ma'am.
Para ito yung ano natin. Ito yung table natin. And then, we got my fruity
Where's my salad?
red melon. Wait, I'm still holding. And then they bought ice cream. I don't know what's this. Lychee, I think. Let me show them. This is Faria's ice cream.
No, that's for tatay.
For Tatay. So currently, ngayon ay 2 p.m. According to AccuWeather, it's 26 degrees Celsius. But it's windy, but it's hot because of the sun. Sa morning, malamig. Pero pagdating ng 2 p.m., medyo umiinit na parang nasa Pilipinas, sa Tagaytay. Pero may hangin naman siya. Malamig yung hangin. So, yun. Ito naman ang kay Baba, another ice cream. I think it's melon.
No, it's like
Jelly ice cream. And then, syempre, of course, may nakita tayong matcha. So, I bought pancakes with matcha paste and matcha whipped cream. Here. And then, last one. Puro ano to mukbang Ito yung para sa melon. And then, I got a banana. Dark chocolate covered banana. Di ba uso yung strawberry covered in chocolate? So, ito naman, try naman natin to. Alam ko naman ng banana siya na may chocolate lang, pero I wanna taste it. Diba, Dad? Kontra to eh. Sabi niya kanina, ano lang naman yan, sabi na may chocolate. And so, syempre, titikman mo siya. Talaga to. Wala na ito sa Pilipinas eh. So, we're gonna eat. Hi! Taste test na tayo. Anong unang kakainin ni Mama?
jelly.
Jelly.
Sadap.
When you take it too much, maybe it would be jelly.
Dad, can you put your card somewhere? Na hindi mawawala. Easy access. Ayan, dyan sa ano mo. Yan.
When I lick it and then I bite it, it's hard jelly.
Oh, nice. So now we're gonna taste test. Ano kang unang makain? Papakahirap ako dito. Okay. Ito na yung famous egg. Lasang egg.
Because it's egg.
Sarap.
It's not lasang.
Heaven.
It's not lasang, it's egg.
I'm just joking. Baby Heaven. Ito pala sa'yo, no? Ito kay Baba.
Ayoko nga.
Ano, lasang egg. Pero Heaven, di ba? Ito kay Paya.
Top.
Hala. Isang kagat pa lang ako. Hati kami ni Paya doon. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kung kumuha ka ng gusto mo.
Oh.
Kung titikim ka, isang bite lang. Courtesy naman dyan, oh.
Ito, no?
Di ba, baby?
Hold on.
Tatay is always big bites.
Always.
Like this. Like this, mama.
Mm-mm.
Tuloy.
Sarap.
Top.
Nakaka-ulit ka.
I love
Ano
the
pang makakain
crunchy.
ka?
Ito.
Kaya
Pancake.
kakain mo ng rice mo.
Ito.
Mm-mm.
Matcha pancake.
Full cut na?
Ah,
Parang luto pa ba?
ganyan.
Malamig ba to?
Oo.
Not big bite again.
Dapat pinipit ko lang natin.
Binidyo ko na nga. Dad water. Oo.
Mga tulad nila.
Hi guys. I'm thinking where did I put the remote. So next we're gonna eat the what's this? Pancake. Hot pancake. Grabe lumamig dun siya sa sobrang init.
We also have later. Thank you. Tatay is so hungry because of that.
Oh my god. Heaven. Diyan mo si Faria.
Not so big again. Big again.
Kaya,
Don't eat na. Don't eat na.
pa. Oh, oh.
You have the big bite.
That is just way.
Okay na ako. Ganun talaga. Parang bago sa
The big bite is already like 3 bites.
very different.
The best. Best
Oh my
food.
gosh. I love the gel.
Grabe, 7-Eleven pa lang yun ah. Next. Yeah, it's on.
Ganda naman yung
Tingnan mo man yan, may bulaklak na siya.
Kaya nga. Next, we're gonna try the banana.
Look, it's already jelly.
Let's try this dark chocolate covered banana.
And this one never melts.
So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. Oh my god, hindi ko kagat. Hindi ko makagat. Kasi kaka-adjust ko lang ng Friday. Pero ma'am,
Hi, birds.
I told you that's a good
Lag mo beer film. Lag mo beer.
you finish it lang. Hindi ko lang siya matulang mamaya.
I told you that's a video.
Are you gonna try this?
Yeah. Only G.
Kabayan.
Close by at 7-Eleven at the Philippines. Maybe it's more better.
Yeah. So, lahat ang dami namin na natikman. Now, water muna ako. We're gonna try the melon naman.
But sorry.
Maybe there's another Apa Hotel.
My God. Apakatil is so
Many
popular
branches.
here.
Yeah. Apata, pata, apata, pata, apata, pata, aha, aha, apata, pata, apata, pata, ay, ay! Oh my god, I'm
Why?
so sorry.
Why?
The melon fell down.
At least it's only
Maybe
one.
the pigeon will eat it.
Okay.
Mga bird dyan sa ano, sa simbahan.
No, maybe.
Maybe they don't like it.
I love it.
They're finding for better food.
Gyokotsu tayo.
Daming everyday.
Gyokotsu, please. May ramen naman
Can
doon.
I have this?
Oh, look! May nag-swim!
Huh?
Na Jack, ayun no?
Ay, bird.
Yung black.
Cannot see it properly.
Sa ating pinapansa mo dapat eh. Kaya.
Can I have water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Paano yan?
I don't know. Nakalimutan ko ang banggitin kung mga magkano to eh. Sorry guys. Next time. First day pa lang naman.
Yesterday was day 0.
Yeah.
Today is day 1.
Yeah, today is day 1.
Until day 10, but
Kanya mo ng
it's
rice.
10 days and 9 nights.
Yeah. And we're gonna have so much fun.
Time to eat the onigiri. Giri. Where's it?
Here. Ubus na.
Hey! Just give me the onigiri. I keep saying G, but it's
Uy, kakain mo ba ito matcha?
later pa.
Ito pa, sandwich mo.
Yes, chill.
Step 1.
Cool. But not like that.
Hindi naman kasi pool, it's stair.
I mean cool like this. You mean here?
Yeah, sorry.
Like I hate the part when the plastic is covering. But now it's you eat the plastic na lang.
Do you think it's fine, Kaya?
But, oh, bakit ako? Dad naman.
I want some water at my face.
Ako natin na. No. Dad naman?
Like this?
Yeah, you press it. Press it, hard.
Meron pa sa kabila.
No. Dad, wag na. Dad, wag na. May ingay.
Love it.
Nabili ako ng stockings na ano. Clear.
It's easy to put it when we are at Japan. But in the Philippines, it's all messy. Not so big. It's crunchy.
Pinas bibili ko Japanese size. Sarap eh. Sarap yung Japanese size.
I don't.
So I'm gonna taste first Faria's ice cream.
When you look at them bite, it's good because it's jelly.
Good! It's jelly ice cream.
I don't know what to eat.
Ano yun, naka-video tayo.
Patikin lang sa'yo, Dad.
Wala.
Wala daw lasa to. Mmm! May lasa siya. Lasang gamot.
Wala. Bila lang.
So, this is the famous sandwich from 7-Eleven. Gonna try.
Sarap.
Ng kay Faria.
Good choice.
Okay, buksan ko muna pa niya mag-ama dyan. So, tapos na kami mag-picnic sa Ueno Park. And pupunta na kami sa Ameyoco Shopping Street. It's 450 meters away from here. Are you happy, Bubu? Are you ready to walk again? And then later tonight, we're going to Akihabara.
I'm gonna.
You know, there's a toys there. There's a toy street.
And I'm gonna try the bat bug.
Yeah, later tonight. No, we're going to Akihabara. There's a toy capsule
no,
there.
when
There's a toy
I-
capsule there.
No, when I take a bath, I'm gonna try.
Yeah, tonight. Are you excited to go to Akihabara later?
Yes.
Dad, let's go now.
Give me
finish
one
mo na
more
yan.
chance because you never gave me toys.
Bye. We're going to Ameyoko Shopping Street.
I'm just singing.
Buy Ueno card. So sad we weren't able to see Sakura. But it's okay. Oh, there's a bird. Whee!
Pigeon.
Yeah, pigeon.
I love pigeon. I hope it doesn't go at my head
And Pope.
and poop.
Ako, Mr. Charger. Korea, look at this. I saw it. Binabantayan si Kai.
Hindi naman yung makawala dyan. Tara na. Tara na. Doon na tayo. Doon naman.
Sa taas?
Ha? Huwag na.
Tingnan mo.
Bye.
Ayun lang.
Uy, kaya.
Pwede ganito ang English basta may hangin.
Pindutin nyo lang English. Tapos, another one adult. Then, confirm.
How only one?
Ay, oo.
Only that.
Ayun pa yung sa akin.
Okay.
Ay! Gugulat. Gugulat.
So good. Not
Gulat yan.
들어갔네.
We're gonna find the bear. Ay! Nasaan siya? Nag-hibernate sila.
what are they doing?
Tutulog. Ito yung hibernation. Ayan, baby. Hi! So, Japanese black bears. Yan.
Korea,
Sa
come here.
Japanese. Oh, picture ka kay Dada. Diyan sila lumalambitin
Korea,
eh.
here. Stand up here.
Yes. Oh, picture ka ni Dad.
1, 2, 3.
He's hungry. The Japanese black bears eat. They're omnivorous.
What does that mean?
Eating meat only. They're not eating gulay.
So they cannot eat. That's
Yeah.
why there's a glass. Now what's that?
Oh, look. Did you saw it?
Which one?
I know.
I don't see it.
I don't know what's that.
What color was it?
Black. I know that it's like a big rat. Oh. Can you see it, Dad?
There.
Wait, I know that.
Oh, what's that?
I forgot what color.
Should be otter.
Otter! Yeah, in the movie Zootopia. The maybe that's the otter. So cute. He doesn't know where to go. You remember Otter, the one that who got lost in the... Ayun o, kakain siya. Ayun o. He's gonna feed the otter. It's feeding time for otters. Oh, they're eating chicken.
Meat, veggie.
Oh, eating meat and veggie.
波が形が出た。看到啊？睇唔到啊？哦，
So, check natin kung gaano kalaki. Ooh, tapos yung Faria, tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki yung gorilla. Yan.
It's as big as you. Ako naman. Mama.
Dito naman yung hands naman. Dito naman. Oh, you have a small hands. Ah, si Dad's much. Oh, you're a gorilla, Dad.
Sorry, can you picture me? I'll check how big I am. Here.
Ay, ang haba ng kamay nila.
Picture me.
5.5. Yan, picture. Picture. Picture pa.
You almost the same.
Because it's Dad's dad.
Siya. Nakatago siya.
Ayan, sa video, oh, Dad.
Wala nga siya.
Can you see her? There's a polar bear. Ooh, hello! Nainitan siya. Gutom na yata siya. Emily? Ha? Ay na yung tiger. Dito. Yun na daw yung tiger. Ayun ang tiger! Baba! Oh.
Mama,
Oh,
kayo na daw.
tita, picture tayo bunso.
Finger.
We're here at the tiger area.
Hi, Tiger. It's your
Hi.
first time, anak? To see the tiger?
Really?
Kala ko sa
Your
nakakita
first
tayo sa
time.
Subic.
And we were so happy we were able to see the pink flamingos there. Dada is so happy because he was able to see flamingos. Bye! Oh, he's going closer. Bye! Let's go! Dada! Are you happy, Dada? Doka!
Super happy.
Are you happy, guys?
I thought sa picture ko na lang siya makikita, but this one is live.
Yay! Let's go home!
No, there's
I hope I can bring them.
So we're going to...
one.
We're going to ano na?
Ang chat ko, sa baho niya.
Oo.
Oh my gosh, masakit ang ano ko, sikmura ko.
We're going to the Ayumeco? What's again that?
Yeah.
I-ano mo na. I-ano mo na. Pupunta na kami sa night market. Bye. See you later, guys. It's currently time check.
Night market, right?
Is it 5?
Shopping market. Sige, 4:54.
What?
4:54.
Or can you go there? Oh, one. Dali! Sayang naman yung... Sayang ang space, oh. Wala pang tao. Go! Up, 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 up! Or look here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Exclusive. Various brother.
Asal kasi. Yes, baby.
At Messenger and Facebook.
Okay. Fine. So, this ends our tour at the Ueno Zoo. We're now gonna go na sa... Nagpahinga pala kami doon
Yeah,
sa
we have-
entrance ng 30 minutes.
Yeah, and we have 11,000
Steps na. Kulang pa.
How is it lang? It should be 2,000 but it's 11.
Dapat 20,000. Dad, saan ba?
We just need 9,000 steps left.
Yeah. So, bye. We're just gonna walk. So, Dad!
Maybe it's 20.
Tagal ng mapper. Yan sa market. May market. May murang shoes. Shoe store. Yung ano doon. Shoe Plaza. Ito, game. Toyota Station. So, ayan. Smart. Ah, ayan o.
Ano yan?
ABC Mart.
Ito, pupuntahan pa natin sa Matsumoto Roshi.
Ano yun? Ayan o, ABC Mart. Yung favorite product na Bayor. Cooling body mist. Halika na dito. Faria o Koromi Band-Aid.
Ano pa naman?
Nail cutter. Mahal.
Where's the Kuomi bandage?
Ito yata. Parang hindi. Ito lang oh. May picture eh. Wala ba dyan yung pang foot? Ay, ito gusto ko, Dad. Ay, ang mahal. Kasi wala nang ganito eh. Kalawang na yun sa atin, oh. Mahal siya. Ano ba yung mga mura dito? Baby, can you... Yeah, wait lang. Baby. Stop moving.